All right, I'm going to show you something pretty cool about a sewing machine and how a stitch is actually made. So the machine is threaded with the needle and the bobbin is in the bobbin case, and I've opened up the front door to let you see what's going on. Now, this is also a unique way to know if your machine is clean or not. So when you open this up, if you see a lot of lint and fluff in the way, so things like flannels and fleeces, batting, those all are fabrics that leave a lot of extra lint down below. So when I show you how a stitch is made, you're going to understand that if there's a lot of lint in the way, the stitch might not connect. You might get skip stitches, and not everything connects the way it should. So I'm going to just hold on to the threads, both the threads in my left hand, and I want you to watch down in the bobbin area. So the take-up lever is going to go down as I turn my hand wheel towards me. The needle goes down, and something called the hook comes and gets a hold of the needle thread. Now right about here, you're going to see that red thread cross in front of the bobbin case. Isn't that neat? And that is how a stitch is actually connected with the bobbin thread. So if you look here now, this is a little link in the two threads. That's a stitch. So every time the machine goes down, those two threads have to play jump rope with each other, and as they link up, they create the stitch. It's pretty amazing, actually. So now you can see that if you don't take care of cleaning the machine, that's going to get kind of sludgy and bogged down, and stitches aren't going to form. Maybe the thread breaks when you're sewing. And by seeing that, now you have an understanding of why it's so important to take care of your machine. Remember, always turn your hand wheel towards you and make sure you start and stop with the take-up lever at the highest position from start to finish.